Okay, next lesson is lesson 7, indices or exponents. That is, we already studied in the 8th standard. From 7th onwards, we have studied about the exponents. Exponents, what is an exponent? If m is a positive integer, if m is a positive integer, then a into etc. up to m times. That is, we can write it as, here it is a raised to 1, a raised to 1, a raised to etc. That is, we can write it as a raised to m times, a raised to m times. That is, read it as a raised to m. A is the base and m is the exponent. That is a raised to m times. And this is the definition for an that is for an exponent. And then, what are the laws of exponents? Laws of exponents are, there are 3 premier laws. Laws of exponents. First one is product law. You know about that? Product law. Product law. What is a product law? Yes, product law is a raised to m into multiplication. A raised to n is equal to, that is, if the base is same, we can add the exponents, that is a raised to m plus n. That is, for example, if 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 5, that is equal to 2 raised to, the base is 2, the same base 2, and adding the exponents, that is 2 raised to 3 plus 5, that is equal to 2 raised to 8. And then the second law is quotient law. Quotient law. Quotient law. Quotient law, what is quotient law? Yes, a raised to m by a raised to n. A raised to m by a raised to n. This is the quotient of a by b form, that is numerator by denominator. That is equal to, these two are the same base, and a raised to m. If it is multiplication, the exponents will add. If it is division, exponents minus. That is a raised to m minus n. For example, that is 2 raised to 5 by 2 raised to 2, that is equal to 2 raised to, that's the same base, that is 2 raised to 5 minus 2 is equal to 2 raised to 3. 5 minus 2 is 3, 2 raised to 3. And the last law is power law. Power law. Third one is power law. Power law, that is equal to a raised to m the whole raised to n. A raised to m the whole raised to n is equal to, we can write it as a raised to m n. A raised to m. For example, 2 raised to 2 the whole raised to 3 is equal to 2 raised to 2 into 3, that is equal to 2 raised to 6. This is the power law. These are the 3 laws of exponents. Okay. Next subtopic is handling positive, fractional, negative and zero indices. Here there are some more points to discuss. That is, first one is a into b. That is, first one, a into b, the whole raised to m is equal to, we can write it as a raised to m into b raised to m. That is, if it is 2 into 3, the whole raised to 5. That is, we can write it as 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 5. And second one is a by b, the whole raised to m. A by b, the whole raised to m is equal to a raised to m by a b raised to m. A raised to m by b raised to m. That is 2 raised to 5 by 3 raised to 5. Sorry, 2 by 3 the whole raised to 5 is equal to 2 raised to 5 by 3 raised to 5. 2 by 3 the whole raised to 5 is equal to 2 raised to 5 by 3 raised to 5. And the third one is if that is a raised to, that is nth root of a. Nth root of a can be written as nth root of a is equal to a raised to m, sorry, nth root of a raised to m is equal to a raised to n by m, that is, sorry, m by n, a raised to m by n. Nth root of a raised to m is equal to a raised to m by n, that is equal to cube root of a raised to like 2 raised to 5 is equal to 2 raised to 5 by 3. 2 raised to 5 by 3. Nth root of a raised to m is equal to, we can write it as a raised to m by n, or cube root of 2 raised to 5. For example, cube root of 2 raised to 5 is equal to 2 raised to 5 by 3. Next one, if a not equal to 0, and n is a positive integer, then nth root of a is equal to a raised to 1 by, or that is, previously we said that is what is it, nth root of a raised to m is equal to a raised to m by n. Okay, a raised to m by n. And fourth one is equal to, fourth point is for any non-zero number a, sorry, for any non-zero number a, for a raised to n is equal to 1 by a raised to minus. We can write it as in the reciprocal form, that is a raised to n is equal to 1 by a raised to, that is this positive changes to negative 1 by a raised to minus n, or a raised to minus n is equal to 1 by a raised to n. That is, here we get the reciprocal and also the sign changes. Here it is positive, it changes to negative, and here it is negative and it changes to positive. And last one is that is for any non-zero integer, raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. For any non-zero integer, raised to the power 0, that is, for it is a raised to 0 is equal to 1, and for example 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1, 100 raised to 0 is equal to 1, etc. For any non-zero integer or variable, raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. These are the basic laws of indices. Let's do some problems. Let's do a problem, that is 16 by 81 the whole raised to minus 3 by 4 into 49 by 9 the whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by 343 by 216 the whole raised to 2 by 3. Evaluate 16 by 81 the whole raised to minus 3 by 4 into 49 by 9 the whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by 343 by 216 the whole raised to 2 by 3. Okay, let's do, that is, in 8th standard also we did some problems like this, that is, first you factorize with the prime factors, that is 16. How can we factorize it? 16, that is 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, and then 81 is equal to 81, 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. Okay, that is equal to, we can write it as 2 into 4 times 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, the whole raised to minus 3 by 4 into, and then 49 can be written in the form 7 into 7 divided by 3 into 3. 7 sevens are, 7 is a prime number, so 7 sevens are 49, and by 3 threes are 9, and whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by 343. 343 is that is 7 4 times 343. 7 4, that is 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 is 343 divided by 6 into 6 into 6 is 216, and we can write in the form of 2 by 3, that is raised to the power 2 by 3. Okay, that is 16 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 by 81 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, and 49 is 7 into 7 by 9, 3 into 3, and 343 is 7 into 7 into 7, and divided by 216 is 6 into 6 into 6. And we can write it as here it is 4 times, that is 2 by 3, 2 by 3 the whole raised to 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into minus 3 by 4. 4 into minus 3 by 4 into 7 by 3 the whole raised to 2 into 2 times. 2 into 3 by 2 divided by 7 by 6 the whole raised to 3 into 2 by 3. Here the 4 is cancelled and 2 cancel and 3 cancel. Here we get 2 by 3 the whole raised to minus 3 into 7 by 3 the whole raised to 3 divided by 7 by 6 the whole raised to 2. And here it is a negative there, so that we can write it as in the reciprocal form 1 by 2 by 3 the whole raised to 3. 1 by 2 by 3 the whole raised to 3 into 7 by 3 the whole cube. That is, here we change this into multiplication. Multiply by 1 by 7 by 6 the whole square. 1 by 7 by 6 the whole square. And then after that it is, we can write it as 1 by 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 7 by 3 into 7 by 3 into 7 by 3, and after that it is into 1 by 7 by 6 into 7 by 6. And we can change this into the reciprocal form. That is, we get, that is 3 into 3 into 3 divided by, that is 1 into 1 is there, and then the reciprocal, that is 2 into 2 into 2 and into 7 by 3 into 7 by 3 into 7 by 3 into 1 into 6 into 6 by 7 into 7. 7 into 7. And then cancel this. Here we are cancelling these 3 3's and then dividing this, that is here 2 2's, that is 3 and this 3, and cancelling this 7. And we get, that is equal to, here there is a 2, and then after that it is multiplying this, we get, that is a 7 here into 3 into 3, that is equal to 63 by 2, and we get the answer 63 by 2 is equal to 31.5. Okay, 31.5 is the answer. Next question, evaluate root of 1 by 4 plus 0.01 the whole raised to minus 1 by 2 minus 27 the whole raised to 2 by 3. And after that we can write, split this into, that is equal to root of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus, that is here we can split it as 0.1 into 0.1. 0.1 into 0.1 the whole raised to minus 1 by 2 minus, here it is 3 into 3 into 3 the whole raised to 2 by 3. Whole raised to 2 by 3. Taking this, that is 1 outside, that is 1 by 2 plus, that is 0.1 2 times. 2 into minus 1 by 2. That is, here it is 1, 2 times. That is taking 2 outside. That is 2 into minus 1 by 2 minus 3 times. 3 into 2 by 3. 3 into 2 by 3. And that is equal to 1 by 2 plus this, cancelling this 0.1 the whole raised to minus 1 minus, cancelling this 3 square. And then 1 by 2 plus, and then here it is 1 by 0.1. We can write it as 1 by 1, but that is, it is minus. So taking the reciprocal, 1 by 0.1 minus 9. 1 by 0.1 minus 9. And then 1 by 2. And then multiplying with 10. We get 10 by 1. multiplying with 10, that is for changing the decimal, we multiply it with 10 and we get here it is 10 by 1 minus 1. And taking the LCM, LCM is equal to 2, and after that we get taking the LCM, 2 is the LCM, that is 1, 2 divided by 1, 2 is 1, that is 1 plus 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2, and then 20 minus 9. 20 minus, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1 is 1 plus 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2, 2 into 10 is equal to 20, and then after that minus 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2, that is 18, 18 minus 18, that is equal to, we get the value 1 plus 20 minus 18 is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is equal to 1 and 1 by 2. This is the answer. 3 by 2 is equal to 1 and 1 by 2. Next question. If 1960 is equal to 2 raised to a into 5 raised to b into 7 raised to c. Calculate the value of 2 raised to minus a, 7 raised to b, 7 raised to b, and 5 raised to minus c. That is, we know that is 1960. 1960 is equal to 2 raised to a into 5 raised to b and 7 raised to c. And we can split this 1960 into prime factors, that is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 7. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 7 is equal to 2 raised to a into 5 raised to b into 7 raised to c. And here it is, we can write it as 2 cube into 5 raised to 1 into 7 square. And from this we can write it as, that is equal to 2 raised to a into 5 raised to b into 7 raised to c. That is, here the exponents a is equal to 3, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to 2. Okay, equate the coefficient, the exponents, that is a is equal to 3, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to 2. Hence the value of the question is 2 raised to minus a into 7 raised to b into 5 raised to minus c. How is it? That is 2 raised to a is equal to 3 minus 3 into 7 raised to b is equal to 1 into 5 raised to minus c. 5 raised to minus c is equal to 2, minus c is equal to minus 2. Minus c is equal to minus 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 cube into 7 into 1 by 5 square. Let expand, that is equal to 1 by 8 into 7 into 1 by 25. That is equal to 7 by 200. This is the answer. 7 by, that is multiplying with the 1 into 7 into 1. That is 7 divided by 8 into 25 is 200. Next question is solve for x. Then the question is 3 raised to 4x plus 1 is equal to 27 raised to x plus 1. That is 3 raised to 4x plus 1 is equal to 27 raised to x plus 1. That is 3 raised to 4x plus 1 is equal to 27 can be written in the prime factorization method, that is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 the whole raised to x plus 1. 3 into 3 into 3 the whole raised to x plus 1, that is 3 raised to 4x plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to 3 into x plus 1. That is 3 raised to 4x plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to 3x plus 3. Here the base are same. If we know that the base are same and the exponents are also same. That is equating the exponents, that is 4x plus 1 is equal to 3x plus 3. And here it is 4x, and take this 3x to left side, that is 4x minus 3x is equal to 3, and this 1 to the right side, 3 minus 1. X is equal to, the value of x is equal to 2. Next question, if a raised to x is equal to b, b raised to y is equal to c, and c raised to z is equal to a, prove that x, y, z is equal to 1. First consider a raised to x is equal to b. a raised to x is equal to b, and after that a raised to x y z is equal to a raised to x y is equal to b raised to y z. How? That is raising the power of power y z on both sides. That is raising the power y z on both sides. That is how we get a raised to x y z is equal to b raised to y z, and then a raised to x y z is equal to b raised to y the whole raised to z. B raised to y the whole raised to z. What is b raised to y? B raised to y is equal to c. Substitute the value, that is a raised to x y z is equal to c the whole raised to z. C the whole raised to z, because what is it? B raised to y is equal to c. B raised to y is equal to c, and then a raised to x y z is equal to c raised to z. C raised to z. What is c raised to z? C raised to z is equal to a. C raised to z is equal to a, and then we get a raised to x y z is equal to a. A raised to x y z is equal to a. So that c raised to z is equal to a. C raised to z is equal to a, and substitute the value, that is c raised to z is equal to a, and after that what is it? A raised to x y z is equal to a raised to 1, and here the bases are same, and then after that it is x y is equal to x y z is equal to 1. The value of x y z is equal to 1. And this is the end of the first the 7th lesson, that is the indices. See you in the next lesson.